I'm Hauk Palsson, Jean-Marc and Coco. I'm about to teach them some Icelandic words. See how they do. First of all, hi, hvað segirðu gott?
Hi,
Hvað segirðu gott?
hvað segirðu gott?
Like, how are you doing? Ég segi allt gott.
Ég segi allt gott.
Allt.
Allt.
Allt gott.
Allt gott.
Allt. Allt
Man,
gott.
this song doesn't exist.
Við vorum að klára æfingu. Við vorum að klára æfingu.
Í vorum að klára
Æfingu.
æfingu.
We just finished practice.
Okay.
Og við hlupum ótrúlega mikið. Og við hlupum.
Og við frekir.
Hlupum. Hlupum. Ótrúlega.
Ótrúlega.
Mikið.
Mikið.
That's good. We ran a lot.
Oh, yeah. Og við ótrúlega mikið.
Ég var að tala við Coco.
Við Coco.
Og hann stóð sig ágætlega. Hann stóð sig ágætlega. Not try to say that.
Hann stóð sig ágætlega.
I was talking to Coco and he did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Heldurðu að þú getur gert betur?
Heldurðu
Að þú
getur
gert betur? Do you think you can do better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. How do you say I'm tired right now?
Ég þreyttur. Ég er. I am.
I am, okay.
Þreyttur.
Ég þreyttur.
Þreyttur. We're gonna do weekdays. Mánudagur. Þriðjudagur. It's nice. Miðvikudagur. Fimmtudagur. Föstudagur.
How do you say, can you give me your vacuum, please?
Laugadagur. Og sunnudagur. That's actually really good.
It's the same like Netherlands. It's a little bit the same.
Oh, you're from Netherlands?
Yeah. No, we speak in Suriname, we speak Netherlands.
Yes, I know. Get ég. Fengið. Lánaða. Ryksuguna. Ryksuguna.
How do you say I love fishing?
Ég elska að veiða. Ég elska. Which is love. Að veiða.
Ég
elska að veiða.
Ég elska að veiða.
To sem peska, Fishy. So that's because I get his vacuum all the time. He lives in the same house and mine broke. So I take his vacuum sometimes. That was a good one. I like that one. Af hverju setti Coco bánsan sinn í frystinn? Af því hann vildi ísbjörn. Af því. That's such a terrible joke.
Af því hann vildi
ísbjörn. Why did Coco put his teddy bear in the freezer? Because he wanted an ice bear. That's such a terrible joke.
How do you say Nanterre's fans is the best, are the best?
Aðdáendurnir. Hjá Nanterre eru bestir.
Já, Nanterre is bestir.
There you go. So it was a good job for both of them. The Netherlands Jean-Marc and France Coco. I'd say it was pretty even. So I'm gonna give him a word now that's gonna decide who the winner is. Eyjafjallajökull.
Eyjafjallajökull. Yogurt? Why say yogurt?
He did say yogurt though. Okay. Eyjafjallajökull.
Eyjafjallajökull.
You say yogurt as well? Eyjafjallajökull. There you go. Now say fast.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah. Eyjafjallajökull. Oh my god. You forgot. No, I don't say yogurt. I say yogurt again?
Yeah, you don't have that in you.
No. I know, I've been.
Do it, do it. The winner is here. It's Coco from France.